Assembly, Captains Flat Public School. My name is Riley and I am one of the school captains for this year. Laurie will now deliver the acknowledgement of country.
We acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land, where the Aboriginal people have performed age-old ceremonies of storytelling, music, dance and celebration. We acknowledge and pay respects to the elders past and present and to those of the future, for they hold the memories, traditions and hopes of the Aboriginal Australia. We must always remember that under the concrete and asphalt of this land is, was and always will be traditional Aboriginal land.
Thank you, Chloe. My name is Oscar and I'm one of the school vice captains for this year. We will now be singing the national anthem. Please stand quietly and remember to keep your hands out of your pockets and your feet still.
Oh, we're not talking. Kindy, you haven't done that this year yet, but we stand up and we face the front, hands by the side. Well
Australians, old and tough, rejoice, for we are young and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds with nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's pages, every saint across Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing across Australia fair. We leave our radiant sobbing cause we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this morning wealth of us renowned of all the lands. For those who come across the sea, with boundless place to share, with courage let us all combine to pass Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing across Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing across Australia
Wait. You haven't been asked to sit yet. Good listening, guys. I'm standing.
We will now be handing out the Learning Awards. This award will be given to students who have shown commitment, enthusiasm and growth in their learning. Miss Pinatelli, Miss Bishop and Miss Elliott, could you please present the awards for S123?
Could you please be seated? Thanks, Bonnie. Okay, our first learning award for this term. Is this the first assembly this term, Mr. Marshall? Yeah, so the first learning award for term 2 goes to someone who is displaying confidence in sharing his creative thoughts, ideas and questions, and that goes to Oliver.
Our next learning award goes to someone who has been showing dedication and enthusiasm in learning, and he is also applying his jolly phonic sounds to his writing. This goes to Austin.
This award goes to someone who has shown resilience in their writing and giving things a go, which has been a big PBL focus a couple of weeks ago, and that is Izzy.
Alright, let's give them one more round of applause.
Thank you, teachers. We are now going to hand out the PBL awards. This award will be given to students who have displayed respect, responsibility, and resilience in their playground or classroom. Ms. Penatelli, Ms. Bishop, and Ms. Elliott, can you please present the PBL awards for S1, 2, 3?
Alright, our first PBL award goes to someone who has been showing outstanding leadership qualities and setting a great example for others. This goes to Oscar.
My PBL award went to Izzy. Didn't read the award, so everyone give Izzy a round of applause. She got our PBL. And just quickly, the learning award that was supposed to be handed out last time for using problem-solving skills to solve multiplication problems goes to Katya.
And our last PBL award goes to someone who is always showing respect in the classroom but also in the playground, and that goes to Ryan. One big clap for our award. John, that's enough.
Thank you, teachers. Recently, we have been looking at the PBL value of making someone else feel special. It has been great to see students giving things a go and challenging their learning. Could Ms. Elliott please address the Assembly to give a PBL update?
Alright, so as you know, we changed our PBL recently so that you need to be more responsible for your own actions in class. So we weren't having the people doing all the work, getting all the rewards and having to share them with everyone. So now everyone's responsible for their own rewards, and I think I've seen a pretty big change with everyone this term, don't you think?
Yes.
I think we've been giving out quite a lot of dojo points this term. We have a chart that I don't have with me at the moment, but it's in our classroom and you all know what's on it. We have pretty much everyone in the school has already reached Mufti level. So last day of term, you'll all be coming in Mufti. There's quite a few people that have moved on to me time. So you'll get some time by yourself, and then after that will be movies, and then munchies up the top as the top reward. And I have a feeling, thank you, I have a feeling that everyone in the school will reach the munchies time before the end of term. What do you reckon? No. Is that our goal for this term?
I hope so.
Oh, me too, Max. Alright, well done everyone, you're doing a really good job.
Thank you, Miss Elliott. Could Mr. Marshall please address the Assembly?
I didn't know I was today. There you go. Yeah, just bring it on there.
No, thank you.
Thank you all for coming, and it's great to see so many of our families back today. We're not streaming today's assembly, but we are certainly going to be filming it and putting it online. One of the things that we're sort of moving towards, and I just want you guys to think about it, is we've just ordered, and it will be here very shortly, a podcast kit. So what we're looking at doing is we do have a news program, and it's great to see that that seems to be going off, and we've got episode number 6 being filmed tomorrow. And I would encourage you, if you are sitting there thinking, oh, I miss out, I don't get to be a part of that, if you come up with a great idea, I'm more than happy to get the camera out to film it, and we can put it online and add it to our YouTube channel. But not only that, our podcasting experience will give you guys the opportunity to create your own radio program. And the beautiful part about that is you can actually connect it in with your phone, or with a school phone, via Bluetooth, and you can actually interview anyone from anywhere. So we can get them to dial in, and you can talk to them on your news program. So that's going to be something that we're going to be looking at doing over the course of the next couple of terms here at school. So if you're sitting there thinking about what you might like to do, then you can come up with those amazing ideas, bring them up to me, and I'm more than happy to create something with you. So keep that in mind, it is coming, so we'll have some radio hosts, we've got some wonderful TV anchor people, and any ideas that you can come across, more than happy to do that. We've also got our virtual reality kit here at the moment, and it was amazing. We started with, I think it was Kinder in year 1, might have had a couple of people from year 2 who started doing some virtual reality experiences last week. And I believe, where do we go, Max?
I'm pretty sure we went to a couple of spaceships and the city
right.
and Mount Everest.
We sure did. We went up into the International Space Station and we did some exploring around what the inside of the International Space Station looks like. We went to Mount Everest and we had a look at the base camp and what parts of Mount Everest looks like in the 3D viewers. And we also went under the water and looked at some dolphins and things and different underwater places. There was even a shipwreck under the water that we had a look at as well. So that was an amazing experience, and I believe that next week we'll be looking at stage 2 or possibly even stage 3, coming up and having a look at some of those areas underneath with the virtual reality kit as well. And next term we have another amazing kit coming that we've ordered as well, which has got other great things a part of it. And the best part is that you guys get to do the next kit first, because no other schools borrowed it. We got to borrow it first, and we'll have that here, and I believe it'll be here about week 9. So week 9, and it's got some amazing Lego stuff in it, and you guys will have a great time with it. Because I know that the Lego's been quite popular, and someone's been talking about creating a Lego Masters Adventure at lunchtime, and more than happy to give you guys the opportunity to come up and create some wonderful models. We might be able to come up with a great in-school experience around that as well. So looking forward to seeing all the great things that you guys do over the course of the coming few weeks. We also have a new teacher that will be coming out to school here and starting here, I believe it's next Friday, isn't it?
Next Friday, yeah.
Next Friday, Miss Postuma, and she'll be coming and working with almost everyone at school here, and she'll be sort of tag teamed with Mrs. Pinatelli and doing some great teaching along with her. So you'll get to meet her from next Friday, and she'll be here until the end of this term. Not only that, we're going to be heading off to the zoo very soon as well, the zoo and the aquarium. And you guys, as I've said in the past, will get to have that experience with the students at Mikolago Public School. We're all going together and having an amazing day at the zoo. And hopefully it won't be too cold, so the animals won't be too still for us, but I'm sure when we go it will be an amazing experience that we will have. Not only will we be heading off to the zoo, but we've got a couple of students who are also heading off to, is it district,
Canberra, regional cross country.
Regional cross country, so I believe that's Seth
and Aldrich.
Aldrich. So congratulations on heading off to congratulations on making it to regionals, and I hope that you guys have an amazing day of running, and we'll hear about your further adventures after when you guys get back. So, but please let Mum know that if she takes some photos, I'm more than happy to post them on Facebook as well. So, looking forward to seeing all the wonderful things that you guys do as well. So, I can sit in front of the microphone all afternoon and have a chat, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm actually going to stop a little bit earlier today and give you guys the opportunity to finish off. Is there anything else that we need to do this afternoon?
No, if you like, we could sing the schools.
Oh, that'd be amazing. It's great to do some singing again too.
Alright, can you stand up where you are, please? Put your award down. Hands by your side. And you guys get to watch yourself sing the school song. And we get to sing along to ourselves singing. Ready? I can see all your excited faces.
At the flats are happy, we make friends who last for years. Together we both work and play through sunshine, rain, through laughs and tears. We will fight to show our might and be our sports team's red and blue. We'll remember our proud motto.
Grammarly helps you work in application, which makes accomplishing your work goal.
Thank you, Nikki.
Thank you, parents and community members, for attending our assembly today. Students may visit a family member now and go home with them. If students do not have a family member present, please wait for instructions from your teacher.
Okay, if you have someone in the audience, excuse me, if you have someone in the audience, you may go and see them, and you also may go home with them. Everyone else, stay safe.